Welcome to the journey of cotton. Today, we track how this white gold becomes the fabric you wear.
The process begins here, in these vast fields where the finest raw cotton is harvested.
Please subscribe, like, and comment so you never miss our new videos.
The first step is loading these heavy bales into the automatic bale opener. A crane lifts the bale and positions it over the machine's intake. The bale is then lowered and begins. Specialized filters catch the debris, leaving only the white, fluffy cotton behind. Specialized filters trap the dust and debris, ensuring only pure white cotton moves forward.
Please subscribe, like, and comment so you never miss our new videos.
These laps enter the carding room, the heart of the textile factory. The cleaned fibers are sent to a carding machine to align them. The sliver is fed into the roving machine, where it is twisted slightly. This strengthens the fibers and prepares them for spinning, is then wound onto bobbins. This creates a uniform, transportable package. The cotton yarn passes through a starch bath to give it the strength needed for the loom.
Please subscribe, like, and comment so you never miss our new videos.
Squeegee rollers ensure the dye penetrates deep into every cotton fiber.
Please subscribe, like, and comment so you never miss our new videos.
Check this section for consistency.
It looks clear, but let's verify the edges.
Good call. Mark it and continue. Squeegee rollers ensure the dye penetrates deep into every cotton fiber.
The final product is ready to be turned into clothing by designers. Let me know if that covers everything you need.
We're ready to place an order for the blue fabric.
Great, we can do 5,000 meters at $5.20. That works, please confirm the specs. Confirmed, I'll send the invoice now.
Labeling this one for Acme Corp's New York order. Got it. Stacking the Chicago shipment over here.
Perfect. Let's get these orders sorted. On it. Moving to the next batch.
Cotton for order A456, sorted. Silk next for order B789. Velvet for C123, complete. These bundles are ready for labeling. Each one needs a specific order number. I'm applying the label for order A4567 to this bundle now. And this one gets order B7890 for Fashion Fab Inc.
Delivery for the showroom. Right on schedule.
I love the quality of this cotton. You can really feel the craftsmanship in the fabric.
Please subscribe, like, and comment so you never miss our new videos.